So PRP or GFC, what you should do? PRP is an older technique. GFC is a new technique. PRP means injecting platelets in your scalp so that they release the growth factors. GFC, all the growth factors from the platelets are taken outside and then directly the growth factors are injected. PRP, the concentration of platelets has to be there, which almost 95% of the clinic cannot make it. In GFC, you don't have to worry about the concentration of platelets. There are standardized kits in which those platelets are there and the growth factors are released. PRP is more painful. GFC is less painful. PRP may take at least 6, 7, 8 sessions. In GFC, you just need 3 sessions. PRP kits are not standardized and most of the clinics just use a blood collection tube for PRP. GFC is more standardized and it is much better than PRP.